Hello everyone, this is Ramopuli. In this video, we learn how to write a notice. A notice is a minor discourse. A notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards, whether in schools or in public places. Since notices are a formal document, it should follow a structure or a format. Keep in mind, there is no one correct rigid format. Different formats used by different people or organizations can show some variations, but it is ideal to follow a somewhat similar format for ease of understanding and uniformity. A notice can, however, also give information about an event, meetings, competitions, trips, examination results, or blood donation camps. You see here the content. Notices should cover some important points that are to be communicated to the readers. Let us summarize the 5 points that the content of the notice will cover. The 5 W's are what, when, where, who, whom. What? What is the notice about? The notice should be clear about what is going to happen or what has already happened. So this is the crux of the message and should be written clearly. There should not be any ambiguity. Where? If the notice is about an event, then the location of such an event must be written clearly. The venue or the location is important details, so make sure to include it. When? This is the time and the date of the event or meeting. If possible, the duration of the event should also be mentioned, then the people can schedule their time accordingly. Who? This will be who the notice is addressed to. It should be clearly mentioned to avoid confusion. Whom? The final detail, it should be written whom to contact or get in touch with. So there are 5 W's we have to keep in our mind before writing a notice. And here are some tips regarding writing a notice. The first one, be precise or exact to the point. Here, the language used is formal yet simple so that the intended message is clearly conveyed. And also, keep the sentences short and use simple words since notices are fairly brief. And almost use passive voice as far as possible. And here, present your notices in a proper format in a box. Also, you should also give a specific information in a concise manner. It is better to state only the relevant points. The heading you write in the notice always should be written in capital. And after seeing learning the tips, here let us learn the details of the format. You see here the name of issuing authority, notice, date, heading, content, signature, designation. Let us see the first point, name of the issuing authority or the place. Name of issuing authority or organization. So right at the very top, you write the name of the person or company that is issuing the said notices. and this will help the reader identify the notices whether important or unimportant to him. In the format, the next one, notice. You see, the notice is the title. When writing notices, we mentioned a title, notice, at the top, and this helps draw attention to the document. And the third point, date. After title, to the left hand side, we write the date on which the notices have been published. Third point, heading. And this heading should make abundantly clear the purpose of the notices. And we have completed name of issuing authority, notice, date, and the heading. Then the content. The content is nothing but a body. After the heading, we write the brief and to the point body of the notice. The main content of the notice features in the body. At last, at the end of the notices, we write the name and designation of the notice writer. The notices have to also be signed by the same person to lend it authority and validity. You see here the fundraising exercise for poor children who have been badly affected by floods. So now we would like to write a notice on this, and also we will be given certain information, the purpose of conduction, the fundraising exercise, and who the beneficiaries would be, the time and the dates when the contributions can be made, how and what the students can donate, who the contact person is, the signature and designation of the person issuing the notice. Right, now let us see an example. So this is all about we have learnt and how to write a notice. This is sample of the first one is the issuing authority, Mana Public School, Vinayaka Street, Hanamkonda. The next point is the title, notice. We see here the date, 2nd May 2020, and the help the flood victims is the heading. This is the body of the content that we would like to convey through notice. The body is, in the wake of the recent floods, a large number of poor children living in the suburbs have been badly affected. So, our school is organizing a fundraising exercise with a view to help these children. So, all the students are requested to donate generously for this noble cause. All sorts of contributions are welcome, especially money, medicine, books, stationery, clothes, packaged food, etc. The respective class teachers may be contacted by the 3rd May 2020 in this record, issued by Maitreyi, the head girl. This is a sample. Now, after seeing these tips and everything, the details of format, we have learnt how to write a notice. And here is a sample, a question for you for the practice. Go through the question and make a notice. Thank you. Hope you understood well. This is all about writing a notice.